welcome back to the channel. Now, let's start with the look. At first glance, the 2025 GMC vintage pickup takes you straight back to the golden age of trucks. The designers really nailed the retro aesthetic, giving it that classic, rugged feel we all love, while still keeping it fresh for today's roads. The front grille is bold with its signature GMC styling, but it's been modernized with sharper lines and sleeker LED lighting. It's a real head-turner, no doubt about it. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC vintage pickup isn't just a pretty face, it's got some serious muscle. GMC has given it a range of powerful engine options, including a turbocharged V6 and even an electric version for those who want to go green without sacrificing performance. The electric version, in particular, is impressive, offering instant torque and a smooth, silent ride that's perfect for both city streets and off-road adventures. Speaking of off-roading, this truck comes equipped with an upgraded suspension system, ensuring it can handle any terrain with ease. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking on a rugged trail, the 2025 GMC vintage pickup is built to perform. And of course, towing capacity is top-notch, so if you've got something heavy to haul, this truck will handle it without breaking a sweat. Now, let's talk about the tech. The 2025 GMC vintage pickup is loaded with all the latest safety features, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, you name it. GMC has really gone above and beyond to ensure that this truck isn't just stylish and powerful, but safe as well. Inside, the vintage pickup offers a perfect mix of old-school charm and new-school tech. The dashboard gives you that throwback feel with the wood grain details and classic gauges, but it's also equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system. You've got a massive touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and even a few built-in apps for that connected driving experience. And let's not forget the comfort. The leather seating is not only stylish but incredibly plush for those long drives. And, of course, we can't forget about the price. The 2025 GMC vintage pickup is positioned as a premium model, so you can expect it to come with a price tag to match. But with all the features, performance, and that timeless design, it might just be worth every penny for those looking to get their hands on a modern classic. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 GMC vintage pickup your dream truck, or are you holding out for something else? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to A Car Chaser for more in-depth looks at the hottest new cars on the market. Until next time, keep chasing those cars.